Okay, so we went over our fact family, and we see that our fact family is 8 plus 2 equals 10, 2 plus 8 equals 10, 10 minus 2 equals 8, and 10 minus 8 equals 2. Did a great job on our fact family. Now we're going to talk about how to make a double flap card. You're going to start with a piece of paper, and you're going to fold it in half. And I like to say this is a hamburger fold, wide like this. Then you're going to open up that piece of paper again, and you're going to fold it narrow like a hot dog. You're going to fold it narrow like a hot dog. Now you're going to open it up, and when you open it up, it's going to look just like this. And you are going to take your scissors, and you're going to cut along this line right here, just to the top here, and that's it. And that's your flap card. And you've basically already made it. Now we're just going to add our information to it. Okay? Pretty simple. 2 folds, 1 cut, and we have a flap card. Now, I decided to add a little wrinkle to the flap card. I decided to kind of make it like a house, because I thought maybe that would make a connection for us. Here's my house, and here's my flap card. I made it kind of look like a roof. And when you flap up this part, you have the number 4. 4 dots, and I made these yellowish, orangish dots. 4. Now on this side, you're going to flap up, and I have the number 5. I have 5 dots here. And what I chose to do is put my 9 on the chimney, and then my tree on the back is 9, 5, and 4. So let's go back over this again. Taking a look, here's my flap card. You open it up, you have a domino inside with dots, okay? I add up all the dots, and that is the top of my tree, okay? I chose to put like a little chimney on my house. I thought that was good connection, so I put a 9 up there. And the reason I put a 9 up here, well, let's check it out. I have 5 and I have 4. I have 5 and I have 4. So when I add those all up, 5, count up 4, or maybe you do 4 plus 4 plus 1 more, whatever strategy you like to use. Maybe you just like to count all of those dots, whatever works for you. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All together, I have 9. Now, we're going to use this flap card to do our fact family. Okay, we're going to use that house to do our fact family. So here's my little fact family paper, and we're going to start with our addition problems first. Okay, so tell me, how many do you see here when I flap it up? Ding, ding, ding. 4. And how many do you see here when I flap it up? 5. Right? Now, 4 plus 5 equals, you got it, 9. Now we're going to start the other way. We're going to flap this side up first. Okay, so far we have 4 plus 5 equals 9. Now we're going to flap this side up first. And what do we have? You got it. We have a 5. And now we're going to flap this side up. And we have a 4. And what's our total number of dots altogether? Take a look at it again. Make sure you know it. You got it? 9. Okay, now we're ready for our subtraction. Now we're ready to subtract. Chimney fell off. Put it back on there. Now we're ready to subtract. So we're going to open it up. We're going to open it up because remember, we're starting with that greatest number. How many dots do I see all together? You got it. I'm starting with my 9 for subtraction. Here it is. I am starting with my 9. Okay? So there's my 9. Now, here's my 9. And I'm going to say subtract 4. Boom. Close that door. So I subtracted 4. Wrote it right here. 9 minus 4. Now what's left? You got it. I have a 5 left. So we're going to read that number equation. 9 minus 4 equals 5. You got it. Now, we're going to do it again. We're going to start with our 9. This time, we're going to subtract our 5. Bam. What's left? You got it? 4. So 9 minus 5 equals 4. So let's see how we did on our facts family. 4 plus 5 equals 9. 5 plus 4 equals 9. 9 minus 4 equals 5. And 9 minus 5 equals 4. I have a 5 in every equation. I have a 4 in every equation. And I have a 9 in every equation. Okay? Now, do you have to make yours look like a house? No. If you want to make your flap card look like a house, sure, you can do it. Glue your chimney on a little bit better than I did. Okay, and then I did yellowish dots and orangish dots. If you can do 2 different colors, that's probably a good idea. And then I like to put the tree on the back just to remind myself. You can do it the way you want to do it. Okay, and that's how you use a flap card to do your fact families. Well, friends, good luck. Hope it goes well. Bye.